It's a beautiful day to save. You'll save more at a Norton Reef Superstore.
I believe in what we do here is truly that we look out for individuals. Somebody walks in, they see the familiar face. They understand that, hey, they're always going to be here for you. Our primary focus is to make sure that our guests is treated in the proper way. We treat the people that come into the building as family. We guarantee our prices. If you can find a better price out there in the market, we will do one of two things. We will honor the pricing, or we will buy the vehicle back. When we state that we're making you the best deal, we put our money where our mouth is. You trust us with your money, we will provide you with the best service. It's the loyalty to the consumer that's coming in to the dealership knowing that, again, it goes back to trust. This is where the grass is green. The 555 is a 5-month, 5,000-mile powertrain guarantee on all our pre-owned vehicles. We will do what it takes to keep the guests here. We go above and beyond just to make sure that it's fair at the end of the day. We stand by our word on what we state we're going to do.
You'll save